Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern bathroom door designs have evolved significantly to align with contemporary interior aesthetics and functional requirements. These doors are not just functional barriers but integral elements of bedroom decor, reflecting the homeowner's style and contributing the overall ambience. One of the key features of modern bedroom door is simplicity. Clean lines, minimalist profiles, and sleek finishes are common characteristics. These doors often lack elaborate moldings or ornate detailing, favoring a streamlined and uncultured appearance that complements a modern interior. Material choice plays a significant role in modern bedroom door design. Wood, glass, and metal are popular options. Wood doors offer warmth and natural appeal with various finishes ranging from light to dark tones. Glass doors can introduce transparency and light, making the bedroom feel more spacious and connected to other parts of the home. Metal doors, with their industrial aesthetics, can add a bold and contemporary statement to the bathroom. Innovative features have become increasingly prevalent in modern bedroom door designs. Sliding and pocket doors are space-saving solutions that enhance room flow and create a sense of openness. Moreover, doors with integrated smart technology such as fingerprint scanners or remote locking systems are becoming more common, adding convenient security of the bedroom. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.